Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to hide your listening activity on Apple Music. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Apple Music, and after that click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on View Profile, the first option, and scroll until you find like this edit option. Click on it. After that, scroll down until you find that option like show on profile, and after it you will find an option called listening to. If you find it activated like that, you have just to deactivate it, and like that you will hide your listening activity on Apple Music. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and